Meaning of entomologist.
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 Entomologist. An entomologist is a scientist who specializes in studying insects, their behavior, biology, and ecology. They collect and analyze data on various species of insects to understand their characteristics, interactions with other organisms, and how they impact the environment. Entomologists play an important role in pest management, disease control, and conservation efforts. By researching insects, they contribute to our understanding of the natural world and help develop strategies to protect both human health and the environment. Overall, entomology is a fascinating field of study that has profound implications for our society.